Now the bulbs are right over there. The way to access it, we have to first open up the hatch, and now we have to get the light out. The light is held in place by those two 10mm bolts. So the only tool you need for this job is a 10mm socket ratchet combination or a 10mm wrench. Go ahead and get those two bolts out and keep them somewhere safe. Now at this point, you may think that you'll be able to just get the light out by just wiggling it, and you might, but not likely, but you might. Very likely it's going to be stuck over there, and I'll show you a trick. Get duct tape. Get them taped and peel out a layer and stick it on the light just the way I'm showing. Make sure it's stuck on there nice and tight. Leave a little bit on the edge, just leave it off so you can grab onto it. We're going to use this like a handle to yank the light out. Get in one more layer and basically try and get like 3-4 layers of the duct tape on it, so that way there's good coverage on the entire light surface. Get those ends out, get them all together, and then just yank the light out straight towards the back, and that should get the light out of the body. And there it is, it's out. Now that's the bulb holder for the brake light bulb. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and out it comes. Just get it out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it comes right out. There you go. The bulb size is right there on it. It's 7443. Again, 7443. That's what you need to get. Get the new bulb, align it over there, and push it in to secure it. Now, when you put this bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. And be patient with this. It looks easy, but sometimes it just gets frustrating because it's not dropping in. But it takes a few seconds. Get it in like this, and then just twist it right to lock it in place, and you're done. Now that cutout on the light, that has to go on over that white clip, such like that. And that's important. Those two holes is where the bolts go, and that one alignment pin goes right over there. Let's put the light back in. And now when you're doing it, just keep an eye out on the alignment pin. It aligns over there. It should not be sticking out from the front. Like, see, this is sticking out. That's not good. You don't want that. So what you're going to do is going to take the light out and then keep some force on the front edge where it goes in, so that way it doesn't like slide out from over that white pin. See, now it's all sticking out. That's good. Push the light in. Let's put those two bolts back in place, and then let's just tighten them up. That's pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Now let's get this duct tape off the light. Gently peel it the way I'm showing. That way you'll leave minimal glue residue on the light. And that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.